Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple wreath bow or package bow out of scraps of ribbon. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to take a piece long enough that I can fold it in half, put it in the Bowdabra, and then also tie this bow onto a wreath or a present or wherever I want to put it. So I folded my wire in half and put that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my jute here, and these are just scraps of ribbon, but we do sell all these ribbons in our fall ribbon kits, so that's kind of cool. We also have the jute on our website. So all I'm doing, and as you can see, I'm shaping this as I go. So I'm just laying these right side in because I'm forming this from the back of the bow to the front of the bow. And I'm just going to lay this down in here. And for those of you who aren't familiar with Bowdabra, we do have a website, which is bowdabra.com. And on our website, we have ribbons for sale, we sell Bowdabras, and we also, best of all, have a blog. And every week we put new projects onto our blog at least 3 to 5 times a week. So that's really exciting. So you get constant ideas for projects you can make using your Bowdabra or your mini Bowdabra. So now I'm going to just take our pick, and all I'm going to do is lay my pick down into this. So my bow is almost formed. Now I'm just going to take my Bowdabra wand, scrunch that down into my Bowdabra, and bring it up and pull it through the slip knot, put tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back. And now all I have to do with my bow wire is tie a knot. I'm going to double knot. Actually, I think I'm going to triple knot it. I don't know why, I'm just being OCD about it. And now I'm going to shape this by just pulling it apart. I've already, like I said, shaped a lot. And the other thing is I've already dovetailed the ends. So we're just going to pull all these apart and separate them all and shape our bow. And then just bring my pick and shape that around as well. And now you have this super simple bow that anybody can make. Very, very easy to make. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook.